Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring identifiers and versions match App Store Connect because mismatches block uploads. In Xcode, switch to the release scheme and increment the build number so App Store sees it as new. Once set, archive the app via product right arrow archive. This packages your binary. After archiving, run the Xcode organizer validation to catch signing or entitlement errors early. If validation passes, export or upload directly. This starts the transfer to App Store Connect, and you'll see progress in Organizer. Once the archive uploads, open App Store Connect to manage the build. You do this because App Store metadata and beta options live there. Choose the uploaded build under Testflight and add internal or external testers, then write concise release notes so testers know what to exercise. Make sure to answer export compliance and encryption questions. These gate the review. After assigning groups, submit the build for beta review if external testing is needed. Once approved, testers get an invite and can install the Testflight build. To finish, promote the tested build to App Store release or prepare for submission. Sync metadata, screenshots, and pricing because they must be current. Monitor tester feedback and crash logs in App Store Connect. This helps prioritize fixes before public release. If the build is rejected or fails upload, inspect Xcode organizer logs and the failure message, verify provisioning profiles and entitlements, and confirm export compliance answers. Often a signing or entitlement mismatch is the culprit. If needed,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.